Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 421, total characters in a string after transformations. Okay, so you are given a string S and an integer T representing the number of transformations to perform. In one transformation, every character in S is replaced according to following rules. If the character is Z, we are going to replace it with the string AB. Okay, and otherwise replace it with the next character in the alphabet, A to B, B to C, and so on. Okay, and in the end we have to return the length of the resulting string after exactly T transformations. Okay, since the answer may be very large, we have to return it in modulo 10 raised to power 9 1 plus 7. Okay, so problem statement is very easy, right? So now let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so this is input string given to us and t is equal to 2 simply means 2 transformations. So what I'm going to do here, first, see, we have alphabets from A to Z, right? So here at 0 index simply means we have A, right? At 1 index simply means we have B, okay? And at 2 index simply means we have C. At 3 index simply means we have D. At 4 index simply means we have E. At 5 index simply means we have F, right? And so on. Okay, and here we have this Y is going to be at index number 24, right? And we have Z is going to be at index number 25, right? So this is clear, right? Initially this is the case. Okay, so now first we let's take the count. Okay, A is there, okay, and frequency of A is 1. Okay, I'm feeling 1 here. B frequency is 1, C frequency is 1, and other frequency all are 0, and Y frequency is 2. Okay, so here I'm feeling 2 and here it is 0. Okay, this is the one case. Okay, initially this is the case. Now first transformation, so A is going to move to the B, right? And B is moving to the C is moving to the D, and Y is moving to the Z, and Y is moving to the Z. Okay, so it simply means that this C, okay, so here let's understand it like this A count is moving to the B, okay, right? A count is moving to the B, and B count is moving to the C, and C count is moving to the D. Okay, so here 1, because of C becomes D, okay, that is why I'm writing 1 here, and B becomes C, so here this is going to become 1 only, and this is going to become 1 only, because all are moving further. Okay, A to B are we are moving, B is moving to C, and C is moving to D. Okay, and A is 0 right now. Okay, A is 0 because A is moved to B, B is moved to C, and C is moved to D. Okay, so here till here count correct, right? Till here you are clear, right? B is 1, C is 1, D is 1. Now Z is 2. Okay, so because this 2 is moving to this position, right? So here I am writing 2, and here this becomes 0. Okay, this is clear. So this is the new count. Okay, new first transformation, B C D Z Z. Okay, this is the string after first transformation, and see the count is matching, B C D 1 and Z equal 2. Okay, now in the next transformation, C is moving to D, B is moving to C, C is moving to D, and D is moving to E. Okay, so here I'm saying B is moving to C, okay, C is moving to D, and D is moving to E. Okay, so this will become 0 right now, right? This is the case. Okay, C D E, until here you are clear. Okay, now Z is going to become AB. Okay, so for Z the count of A and B both are increasing, right? Because Z is becoming AB, right? Z is becoming AB. So how we are distributing Z here, the Z for Z, it is going to become A and B. Okay, so count of A is going to increase to 1, and B is also going to increase to 1. Okay, like this. Okay, we are distributing like this. So here this is going to become 0, and here 1 1, and again here also AB. Okay, so here this will become 2 2, right? So here I'm writing 2 2. Okay, 2 2. Okay, so now this is the end case, right? So A is 2 times, B is 2 times here, right? And C D E 1 1 1 time. Okay, so in the end what we need to do, we have to just calculate the total sum of this one. Okay, iterate over all the elements. 2 plus 2 4, 5 6 7, so 7 is the count. Okay, That is why we are returning 7 here. So this is the approach that we need to take. Okay, so here see, uh, one more thing. Okay, so here see, like this, uh, for transformation, C is updating to D, D is updating to E, and E is updating to F. Okay, same way A is also moving to B, right? A is moving to B, but here Z is influencing both A and B. Okay, Z is influencing both. Okay, so we will handle this externally. Okay, so what I am saying, I will explain the code, but you guys are clear, right? So this is how we are transforming, but this Z is influencing both this and this index. Okay, this Z is influencing both these two, and others are influencing next. So B is influenced by C, Z is influencing A, right? And B is influenced by A here, right? A, and B is also influenced by Z as well. Okay, so B is the only index which is influenced by this one, is the only index which is influenced by both Z and A. Okay, so this we will handle. Okay, so you guys are clear, right? So now let's see the code. Okay, so here we need to take this because the result could be very large, and count. Okay, so count 26. Okay, so 26, you know why? Because total alphabets we have 26, right? So 0 to 25 index. So initialize letter counts, so we are counting all the letters count here. Then we are going to apply transformation k times. Okay, so see this loop. Okay, new count, we are shifting the frequencies. Okay, so here 0 to 24 we are shifting. Okay, j is less than 25. And then for Z, okay, 0 to 24 simply means this is 1. Okay, so from 1 to 25, okay, it will run like that. Okay, y is updating Z. Okay, all that stuff. But here we are handling 0, A and B here. Okay, so A is influenced by Z, so that is by 25 index, but B is influenced by both your B is influenced by the count of A. Okay, and we have already counted the A here. Okay, A is moving to B, right? Like this, 0 to B, and we are already handling that here. Okay, so that is why here I'm writing new count of 1 plus count of 25 and then do the modulus. Okay, so in this way we have to handle the counts. Okay, shifting the frequency, same thing that I've explained here now. B is influenced by A first time, and then Z is influencing both A and B. So that's the simple meaning. That is why I'm writing new count of 1 here. Okay, then I'm updating this count. Okay, I'm updating this count here. Update count for the next iteration. Okay, then again my new count will start. Okay, all that stuff. Okay, so this is done. Then in the end we have to sum up the transformed counts. Okay, and do the modulus, and in the end we have to just return the result. Okay, so this submission is accepted. So I hope that you guys are able to understand question number 2 of weekly contest 421. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.